Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of these given expressions is not a polynomial? Now we know for a given expression to be a polynomial, degree has to be non-negative integer and coefficients have to be real numbers. So from given options, option C, observing option C, what do we get? The variable y has half power in first term. So half is not integer. So what we can say that option C is not a polynomial. So answer is option C.